This is the boron, and it's not that uncommon to see guys like this who made $1.9 million from just trading 3 meme coins. There's no limit to the amount of money you can make by trading meme coins during this bull cycle. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to trade meme coins so that you can make crazy profits, 10x, 20x, 1000x even, from just trading meme coins. We answer your questions on what are meme coins, where to buy meme coins, how to trade them, how to find them, and all other questions in between. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to do something for me. First thing you have to do is hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. I'll give you 5 seconds to do it. Have you done it? Alright, let's get in. First up, what are meme coins? Meme coins is a cryptocurrency genre where crypto tokens are mainly based off or inspired by online memes, characters such as cats, dogs, hippos. For example, this hippo Modeng that did over $200 million market cap, or the famous Dogecoin that was arguably driven by some Elon Musk tweets. Meme coin trading is a process of buying and selling these meme coins with the hopes of making profits. Meme coin trading is highly speculative and risky, which is why it is also called degen trading, coined from the word degenerate. Now, where do we trade these meme coins? Meme coins are bought and sold mainly using decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and Radium. These decentralized exchanges or DEX are different from centralized exchanges like Binance, mainly because you don't need KYC to trade on them. Now, how to buy meme coins? Before you start buying meme coins, you first need to know these 3 things. 1. What meme coin do you want to buy? 2. What blockchain is that meme coin on? And 3. What coin do I deposit to be able to trade this meme coin? For this video, I'll be guiding you on how to trade Solana meme coins. So the blockchain we are concerned with is Solana, and the coin that we'll be getting to be able to trade meme coins is also Solana. The next thing you will need to get is a wallet, and I recommend you download a Solana compatible wallet. I personally recommend you download Phantom wallet or Soulflare or Backpack wallet. You can simply download these wallets on both App Store or Play Store or as a Chrome extension. Now, the next thing for you to do is to create a wallet. And when creating a wallet, make sure you secure your 12 keywords, because those will be the access keys to your wallet. So if you lose them, you've lost your wallet. After creating your wallet, now you want to add funds into your wallet. You do that by buying from a centralized wallet like Bybit, Binance, then sending it to your decentralized wallet or to your Phantom wallet. Do know that for you to be able to trade and buy coins from a centralized wallet, you need to do your KYC. So if you are using Bybit, which I recommend, you need to complete your KYC to be able to do P2P, to use Naira or whatever currency you are using to buy that crypto, and to also be able to send it out. Also, make sure to be very careful when copying and pasting your wallet address, because if you make an error with your wallet address, you risk losing all your funds. Now you have Solana in your wallet and you are set to buy yourself a meme coin. So now, where do you buy a meme coin? For you to be able to buy a meme coin, you need to get it from a decentralized exchange, like I mentioned earlier. For this case, we'll be using Radium. What you have to do is to search for Radium and make sure you are using the right links, because there are lots of scam decentralized exchanges that if you trade with them you lose your money. So make sure you're using the right link. You can get the right link from sources like Twitter, their official Twitter account, from CoinMarketCap. Search for Radium, you see them and see all their links, and those are where you can get their legit sources from. So when you are in Radium, you'll be able to connect your wallet like this, enter your password, then connect. When you are connected, you see the amount of SOL you have here, and you'll be able to select what token you want to trade that SOL with. For example, I'm using Bonk, which is a popular meme coin on Solana, and you see I'll be able to buy Bonk and sell Bonk here. And you can also see the chart for Bonk and its price action. You see Bonk launch for around a lot of zeros, but it went to an all-time high of it went high. Basically, yeah, it went crazy that period. So this is how you can buy and sell meme coins. You can search the meme coin with its name, and you can also search it with its contract address, which is kind of similar to wallet address or liquidity pool or pair address. But you should be careful when copying the contract address. Make sure it is the contract address that you want to copy, because buying or sending funds to that contract address will lead to a loss of funds. And if you are copying the wrong contract address, you might just buy the wrong meme coin. Now, how to search and find these meme coins? Now, the best place to search and find these meme coins is Dex Screener, but there are also different aggregators that display and give you information on these meme coins. Also, you can also find meme coins that are trending using social tools like Twitter or even TikTok, for example. They can be used as hints. They can be used to find the latest trending meme coins and the meme coins most people are talking about, and you can take that as alpha to trade them. Here are some secret tips that you need to know for trading meme coins. First, come closer and listen. 1. Trading meme coin is highly risky. Trading meme coin is a high risk sport but can offer great reward, and sometimes it's just worth the risk. It is very volatile and it's common to see coins go from 100 to 0 in seconds. When trading meme coins, make sure to do proper in-depth research into a token before buying them. Especially want to look at their social media and their Telegram to see how active their community is and what other people are saying about them. Look out for loyal cult-like communities, because that's an indicator that those guys are loyal and they're not going to be in a hurry to sell their bags. You should also be able to do on-chain research to avoid buying rogues. Look at the wallet of the developer of that token. Look if that token is freezable. Look if they can mint more supply of that token, and other factors that you should really be aware of. I'll be making more videos on how to analyze and research meme coins, so you really want to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of my contents. Well, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you're making money, look out for opportunities, and be ready to risk to make money. That's the game and that's how you play it. Well, I'll see you on the next one, and bye bye.